Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Now, before we start today's lesson, I have a treat for all of you today. What you see before you are 5 rows of 4 colorful bags. Inside each of these bags is a cutting board and a safety knife. So each of you can practice cutting fruits and vegetables at home without the risk of getting your fingers cut off. Now these gifts come in 4 colors. So I'm gonna ask each of you one by one to come up and pick your favorite color. Let's start with Kelly.
I'll pick blue.
Blue it is.
Thank you.
Shalom, you're on. Pick your favorite color. And we got purple. Junera, which color do you want? Do you want yellow?
You wanna come pick it, Janet? Stop. You want this one? This one?
We can take these home.
Yeah, you can take them home. They're for you to practice. They're for you to practice knife safety at home.
Gregory would like purple.
Are you sure, Gregory?
I'm sure.
How about you, Garrett?
There's no red, Garrett. What color do you want? There's blue, green, purple, pink, and yellow. What color do you want?
Red.
There's no red. I just said that. What other color do you want?
Red.
There's no red.
Okay, give me my pink.
You want blue?
Blue.
Green. Yeah.
Good morning, class 2. Now before we start today's lesson, I have brought you all a gift. Inside each of these bags is a colorful cutting board and a safety knife. So you can practice cutting fruits and vegetables at home without the possibility of losing a finger.
You had her?
Well, now they come in 4 colors: purple, pink, green, blue, and yellow. So when I call you up, pick your favorite color. So let's start with Shaban. So which color are you picking?
Purple, yellow,
Green, yellow.
yellow.
Yes.
You can bring that to your table, dude.
You can bring it to the table,
Those my table here. Thank you.
Alright, next, eeny, miny, Jasir. Oh, Lola, hey.
I'm
You
fine.
can make it ice cream.
Now we're going for blue.
That's something. No, I don't want any of them lunch.
Do you at least want a bag? Do you at least want a bag? Hey? It has a cutting board and safety knife in there so you can practice cutting fruits and vegetables at home with no risk.
I don't know what ain't over here.
Come take a bite. Take a bite.
You don't want to know here this picture.
Okay, just take a bite. What color do you want? Okay, then just take it. Take it. Come here. Come over here. Come. Alucha. Come.
Are you okay?
She's fine. Come sit by me.
Are
Come.
you sure? 'Cause
Come sit there. Come sit by me.
I don't ain't no here.
Okay.
No, ain't no kitchen.
You wanna go back? You wanna sit by me or you wanna go back?
I'm gonna wish you.
Okay, well sit by me.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Darrell?
Darrell, I'm gonna pick up
Can
that.
I see this again?
Yes.
Can
I get tomorrow. I go tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow. No, I get there tomorrow.
Dario, pick what color? What color?
I get tomorrow.
Pink?
I can't go.
You want pink? Okay. Come, sit
No, I
back
get
down.
there
Sit back.
tomorrow.
Sit
I get tomorrow. I go tomorrow.
Okay, sit back down.
I get tomorrow.
Good job.
Not tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow.
Alright, Vaughn, you're up.
I do tomorrow.
Hey, hey.
I have on that.
Yes, we get a tattoo.
So what's your color,
This
boy?
is already higher for the school.
Alright. So for those of you who didn't come in today, or are planning to come today,
Hey,
or planning to come in the future, always expect a nice welcome gift. Welcome gift
go for that.
gift on your arrival.
Go for